This is Adam with Guyette Roofing in Montgomery, Alabama. I'm on a residential roof with architectural shingles on it. Wanted to show you a couple of workmanship details that we really focus on in installing a roof properly. So what's happened with this roof is there's shingles missing all over the place. You can see in this immediate area, a lot of shingles missing. You can see on that slope over there, a lot of shingles sliding. There's two fundamental issues in installation on this roof. So I wanted to show you a couple of examples of what I'm talking about. This shingle was laying on the roof, just not even attached to the roof. It's come off, and the biggest reason for that is blow through. So the key word there is blow through. The nails, for one, are high nailed, and I'll get to that in just a second, but it had 5 nails, which is acceptable, but the pressure on the pneumatic air gun was too high, and so when the installer was driving the nails in here, they were going too far through the shingle mat. So eventually the shingle just comes loose from the roof and it slides off, and it's not serving its purpose. The other thing I wanted to show is the result of high nailing. What happens is guys get in a hurry, or they just don't know any better, and they high nail. So I showed on this shingle, the nail holes are actually about 4 to 5 inches above the actual recommended nail strip. And what that nail strip is for is when you nail through the shingle, you're catching both portions. These shingles are made up of 2 parts that are laminated. And if you don't catch both parts of the shingle, which you would do if you hit it through the nail line, then you get delamination. And what you see here, 2 shingles that have come apart. This is the 2 pieces of shingles that have come apart as a result of high nailing. Again, you can see the nail holes are well above the nail line, and this shingle has just delaminated. And this is the case over the whole roof. So these are 2 very preventable issues. And here's where it starts. When you're making the choice of who to choose to roof your house, ask questions like nail placement, nail spacing, who's going to be enforcing those things on the job. A Guyette Roofing, we have a project manager on each job that's enforcing that each nail be in the nail line, and that we have 4 to 6 nails on every shingle depending on the pitch. And you totally forego these issues. These are things that cause a roof to fail prematurely and cost you a lot of money in the long run. So make sure you're asking these questions, that you're staying informed. When you make the investment on a roof, make sure that it's going to be installed properly. This is Adam with Guyette Roofing.